Hey smart home fans, Eiferer Home Automation is back at Decorex 2025 from the 24th to the 27th of July. We'll be live at the Sandton Convention Centre showing off our fully interactive, fully automated stand powered by Sonoff, eWeLink and Home Assistant. Our stand is more than a display. It's a real working home setup built from the ground up. Here's what you can experience. A Zigbee board showing off our full range of sensors and devices, a light switch board featuring two-way switching, and all of our available light switches. A simulation of a pool pump, a simulation of underfloor heating, a mini irrigation setup, water leak detection, and a safety valve shutoff, as well as integration into Eiferer's Sandton inverter and a water tank management level setup. And behind it all, a POW R3 managing the main power. Here's a sneak peek under the hood. POW-CT is monitoring the total power usage on the stand. 4-channel R3 relays are handling the two-way switching using node red logic. The walls are lit with WLED backlighting, controlled by a D1 Mini. We've got a POW R320 for high load switching. That would be our kettle to ensure that there's coffee all day long. The Mini R4 inside the DB doing the silent remote magic. And yes, we'll have Zigbee, Wi-Fi, LAN control, and LoRaWAN all running in parallel. Our whole team will be walking around with access to the system, thanks to eWeLink and app sharing, as well as the Home Assistant app. You'll see real-time control via phone and apps, Home Assistant dashboards running live, logic handled by Node Red on site, eWeLink's web interface in action. We'll also be showcasing a few brand new Sonoff products you'll want to check out. These have not been released yet. We have received demo units from Sonoff just for the show. The T6 Smart Switch, sleek and touch-friendly, the CAM PT2, and the CAM 81P for smart home security, the Dongle-M supporting Zigbee and Thread, and the Mini-RBS, a compact smart roller shutter controller. We've been part of Decorex since 2018, and let me tell you, this show delivers. It's a hands-on experience for anyone interested in smart living. We've got a limited number of tickets available for our email subscribers, so if you would like to come and join us, let us know. Subscribe at eiferer.co.za or drop us a message on social media. We'd love to meet you there. Smart homes aren't the future, they're here. Come see for yourself at Decorex2025. 24 to 27 July at Sandton Convention Centre. Powered by Sonoff eWeLink Home Assistant and proudly built by Eiferer Home Automation. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you at the show.